Okay, we're going to be talking now a little bit about how to get all the feeds correct so that you've got the right volume, the right pricing, and everything else when you're using the Waves of Profit software.
Yeah, well, I had a nice chat with Interactive Brokers. I really like these guys. They're awesome. Not only do they have the best commissions on the planet, but they answer the phone 24/7 because they've got some very large institutional people and lots of retail clients. Retail means regular folks that have trading accounts. So that's us. And here we are. The thing that you need to have turned on, we've talked about elsewhere, is you need to have the U.S. value bundle. And by the way, if you generate a little bit of commission, they just knock that fee off, which is really good. So it costs you nothing if you're actually using it. The thing that I learned today, because when we switched over data feeds to use IB's data, which is free and actually higher quality than the professional ones that we were paying for, is the volume wasn't matching the other data services that I pay for. And we do that for other server side reasons. But the point is, it wasn't matching. The volume was off. We were getting a quarter of the volume or something. It matched what IB had to say, but IB didn't match what the end of day said in these other services, some of which are free. Like you go to Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, and so forth, and they say, well, the trading volume today was la la, and it doesn't match what IB's total is. Well, IB says, well, that's because if you use the value bundle, you're not getting all the trading volume. You're getting the pricing, but you're not getting the trading volume. And so they said that you need Amex equities turned on. So that'll give you trading volume brought in as well on that exchange. The other exchanges that you want are NASDAQ equities and New York Stock Exchange equities. So when a sale happens on those items, then your volume is reflected in there. And if there happens to be a price, it's not likely to be any different than what you already have, but the volume was missing. And that's a really important thing, because one of the keys to knowing that something's actually going on in the market is that the volume that picks up. That's a big factor. So those are the ones you need to add. So Amex, NASDAQ, and NYSE, you just go ahead and add that and you'll be okay. Now, BATS and a few other exchanges have volume that can be quite substantial, but that's all rolled up, is what the person at IB said, into these other ones. So if you say yes to that and approve it, then you'll have volume that matches the end of day volume, and you really want to do that.
There you go. So that's how you set up everything.
Yeah.
So you get the right volume.
Just hit continue after you click those.
Perfect. Thanks, Alan, and we'll see you in the next lecture, everybody.